it's me, Mariana Saban, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I share and post another videos on my. So for today's vlog, I am going to share with you a very simple tutorial on how to put on and how to apply your DIY fake nails every time that you want to glam up yourself, kapag may pupuntahan kang special occasions, special events, or mga moments na gusto mo lang maging beautiful from the tip of your nails up to the tip of your hair until to the tip of your nails. Ayan. So if you're interested to know kung paano ginagawa ang pag-put on ng fake nails, just keep on watching.
Things first, you need to prepare your clean hands and clean fingers. And also, we need to prepare these 4 things. Of course, ito mga kailangan natin para maging perfect ang fake nails natin later on. This one is from OMG. It has 100 pieces acrylic fake nails. And I bought it from KCC General Santa City sa department store nila, dyan banda sa may second floor ng building, malapit sa mga fake nails and yung mga nail polishes nila. Of course, we also have this nail tint, or also known as martiolet, and nasa spray bottle siya para mas madali siyang i-apply later on. And meron din tayong nail glue dito sa harapan, which I also bought from KCC Mall of Jensen, and it is a very affordable, very convenient to use. We also have this Wet n Wild na transparent colorless na cutics and a piece of cotton. Next thing that you have to do is kailangan mong sukatin ang mga fake nails sa bawat fingers mo para swak na swak ang size niya later on at hindi siya mabilis matanggal. The good thing about this transparent fake nail is that you can style it up to different colors like red, black, beige, and peach. It's all up to you, but for this video, we're just going to use the transparent or colorless nail polish as a top coat dahil may klase pa po after this vlog. So, we will just do a separate video for that, yung mga pangkabugera na colors ang gagamitin natin. Comment down below if gusto niyo gumawa tayo ng separate video for that. There you have it. So kapag tapos ka nang hanapin ang lahat ng match para sa nails mo, all you have to do is to nail file kasi meron siyang excess merong excess na parang sa top ng nail, ng fake nail na kailangan mong tanggalin or i-nail file para hindi siya masakit kapag nasa kuko mo na siya. Pagkatapos mong i-nail file yung fake nails, next naman is kailangan mong i-nail file ang body ng iyong nails para maalis ang oil to prevent it from sliding later. By nail filing your actual nails, mas lalong kakapit yung adhesive and yung fake nails mo later on. Ayan. So kapag tapos na sa lahat ng fingers, it's time for you to finally apply and finally put on your fake nails. Be careful sa pag-open ng nail glue dahil may mga tendency na pwede siyang mapunta sa mata mo. So, you really have to be careful. And I just put a dab, napaka-konting amount lang ng nail glue at saka I just pressed the fake nail, parang pa-slide siya pababa. Yan. So, next, I'll just do the same sa mga natitirang mga nails. There's nothing to worry about putting the glue kasi napakadali lang niyang ilagay, and the moment na nilagay mo siya, after several seconds, talagang nakadikit na siya. Which means that you also have to pay focus sa pagdikit at baka maging hindi siya straight sa paglagay, mahirapan ka. After mong malagay ang lahat ng mga fake nails sa right hand mo, it's time for you to proceed to your another hand. Ayan. So, the same process pa rin ang gagawin. First, you need to find or to look for the perfect fake nail para ilagay sa mga nails mo sa bawat fingers. And then, you are going to nail file it and scratch and
file your actual nails. Pagkatapos ay idikit mo siya perfectly.
The minimum spend of not more than 200 pesos, I believe that this DIY acrylic fake nail is such an affordable way of glamming up your nails dahil compared to those na ino-offer sa salon, it can cost from 1,500 to 2,500. It depends pa kung anong klase ng nail extension ang i-avail mo. And now we're down to the last pinky finger na kailangan natin lagyan ng fake nail. And hindi pa yan nagtatapos dyan dahil may ilalagay pa tayo later on. So for this video, this nail is just very simple. Very minimalist ang look niya since it's plain. It's something that is very clean, very subtle lang ang look. And it's very elegant.
Ngayon, pwede na nating iset aside ang ating mga gamit na iba to give way sa next nating gagawin. Of course, we need to set aside our acrylic fake nails, our nail glue. Ayan, i-close muna natin para hindi siya tumigas sa loob. And we're down to the last two steps that we are going to do. Ayan, so i-nail file muna natin yung mga natitirang excess from the acrylic fake nail. Next step to do is that lalagyan natin ng buhay ang ating fake nails by spraying an amount of nail tint sa ating fingers and sa ating fake nails. And of course, for this look naman sa nails, I like to include the fingers sa paglagay ng nail tint just to make it look more naturalistic. Mas fresh ang tingnan kapag nagiging pinkish din yung parts ng nails natin. Ayan, perfect! Okay, so dagdagan natin ng konti just to make it look more cute and medyo fresh na fresh yung look niya. Dab, dab, dab. Okay, there you have it. And of course, hindi magpapatalo yung ating isa pang kamay. So, the same process, you need to spray an ample amount of nail tint at saka just spread it through a cotton ball and voila, that's it. And if you want it to look more pinkish than ever, pwede din namang dagdagan if you want. And meron ding mga nail tints na wala sa bottle, pwede niyo naman yung gamitin as long as malagyan ng kulay ang nails ninyo.
We're down to the last step na kinakailangan natin gawin to make this DIY fake nail look more perfect and fabulous. Of course, we need to place an ample amount of colorless nail polish.
And now you're ready to flaunt your flawless, fabulous, and perfect DIY fake nail that really looks natural on you.